Hi guys, I just want to take 5 minutes. I'm going away to lift my onions. I'll need to get this frame out of my way first. So we'll get the framing up and doing. Gives you a wee bit more access, makes it a wee bit easier. I just take them out, give them a clean once I get the rest done. Once the turnips and that are ready, we just do it that way and then put the whole lot in a bundle, and that lasts for next year. By doing that, I know when I lift them out of the shed for next year, they're in their bundles. I know exactly how to lay them out. Doesn't always work. Now, I'm going to lift the onions. Only reason I'm lifting them is they've got a wee bit wet, so I'll get them in the greenhouse, get them dried off, then we'll see what like they are. I've got my trays and that around the front there, so it's not very nice. There's a wee bit of wind at the moment, but we'll get them lifted and we'll see what they're like. Hopefully they should be alright for next year. We'll get them in. I've got a place for getting them dried and that. They are actually wet. It's been heavy rain the last couple of days, so it's just sort of spoilt them a little bit. And not too bad actually. I'm quite happy with them now. I'll give a final tally at the end and see what they're like once I get them in and get them dried out. I left them too long one year and the tops of it are wet and started to turn brown. So I'm going to be a wee bit smarter this year and get them out of the ground, get them dried, get them cleaned, get them stored. There's lying a wee bit of fungus on it. It should be alright once it's dried. That's one basket. I've got another basket here, so let's see what there is. See what they're like. These are actually grown from onion sets that I purchased at one of the local garden centres. I prefer growing them the onion sets. I find it less hassle. Just to bare the ground. I just pop them in. I always cover them. See, I've just got my nets and not taken off, so I always cover them. It keeps the wee birds from going in and pulling them out of the ground. You can maybe see at the side there, the turnips are quite good as well. Maybe should have thinned them out more. Oops. That's another one just where a wee bit further on the bottom. Once it dries out, it should be alright. There's a number of ways you can do it. The normal way is you do that, put them in a cluster like that, tie them up. But I did last year. I got a big frame that sits up in the back of the shed or in the greenhouse, and the air passes through it and it's fine and dry, and that keeps me happy during the year. Yes, ma'am. Turnips are not too bad. So that's cool. Well, I'll get them up into the greenhouse and get them laid out on my frame and that. I don't know whether to take this off or not. As you can see, see the pimple leaves are starting to eat already. Turnips are not too bad. Turnips are hardy veg. They can stay on the ground and you can use them just when you need to use them. But yeah, that's it. So let's get the greenhouse and get these set up for drying. Oh, big dirty black cloud coming across, so I doubt it's going to be rain. As you can see, I've started laying them out there. It's getting a wee bit dull out here. I think the rain's going to come on, so we'll see how far I get. I'll say this is my method of doing it. I'll show you doing there. A lot of people just take them like that, put them up in bundles. You know, you get a bit rough here, or string or something, you tie them in a bundle, hang them up. Yeah, that's okay, but I didn't have enough room for doing that. So that's just what I usually do. Lift them, just quick, and just set them out. Oops, let's stay off them. You bear in mind it's always warmer in the greenhouse. The heat helps to dry them off. Once they get dried off, I'll get all the stuff off. Oh, the weathered stuff off the outside. And as I say, I've got a big tray sits on the wall. I just put them into that, and it lets the air pass through them. It keeps them fresh. It's what works for me. And I've always had reasonably successful. My biggest problem used to be leaving them in the ground far too long. And once they get wet around the crown and that, it goes down into the inside of the onion. And radiates. And you'll lose some of it. You can feel it in here already. The heat just off the sun. That's it. You do what's best for yourself. Yeah, it'll be fine. As I said, keeps us going a year. Usually when she needs them, she just come with another cook. Yeah, it's maybe done them softer than that. Obviously she uses them first. They're facing the sun there, so it's getting a wee bit wet out here. A wee bit. Yeah, that's most of them done. A couple of wee brown spots on them, that's what I was saying. They start getting brown round there. I just peel that off and they'll just go into the basket for using. You look at them all. I'll check them all eventually once they're dry. Any that's no any that's got black marks on them or soft or something like that, you just spin them out and use them first. Now, so that's that. Just for curiosity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I've used 3, 34, 35, 36, 37. And that's quite no bad. That's 37 out of 40. It was 40 onion sets I got, so that's not too bad. You do lose a couple. Sometimes the birds do get in, although they shouldn't get in, but no, that's quite happy with that actually. No. The variety is SDUR Sturton. Oh, you use them, you get that. I used to use a variety called Sturton Garter, I think it is, but I found that these were flat tops and they were more susceptible to rot around the neck. Use round there. No, that's it. So that's my story of onions. I need to get a brush and get this cleaned out. Let's see if I can let you see their tomatoes. It's an ongoing thing with their tomatoes. I don't know. Yep. You can see them there. Tomatoes have been good, very good. As you probably noticed in one of my last wee shorts I put on when we made tomato soup. Oh, what a difference. Flavour in it is absolutely brilliant. No, there we are, that's my onions out. I'll do the same later on. Okay.